Hi guys!
This is my Mima.
And this is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is.
Rolling, roll. She's reading.
Yes, I prepared a
A lot of
questions.
questions. Oh my god.
Yes, sige. If your friend is sad and won't talk, what would you do?
If my friend is sad and they won't talk, of course, I will not force them to talk. But I will just comfort them. That if their parents are there, I will call their parents to say that, Tita, Tita, ano, for example, Lulu is sad, Cheska sad, like that. So, the parents naman are informed. So, but I will not naman force them to talk. Kasi if I force them to talk,
Baka lalong magalit sila sa'yo or
yeah.
baka lalo silang bad mood, di ba? Okay, so you will not force them to talk. Or what else? Yung sinasabi mo kaninang comfort, how will you
Wala lang.
how will you comfort?
Tap their back, of course, hug them,
Mhm.
then talk to them for a while.
Mhm.
Maybe mga after 10 seconds, you're done talking. Then,
Mhm.
if they feel better, if she or he feel better, you can play na. But if they are like not yet better, of course I will call their parents.
Okay, tama naman yun.
But not the call like phone
You will inform the parents of the kid. Tama naman yun. So that they will be aware, no, of what's happening with the kid. Tama?
Yeah.
And you, kasi mga kids pa naman kayo, you don't have any idea how to, resolve solve problems, issues. Talagang kailangan yun ng help ng adults.
Like math, di ba? You're having a hard time, especially division. That's so hard. Sorry, Teacher Rich.
Yun, tama naman si Arella, di ba? Okay. Napakabait mo namang friend.
But
Diba? She will comfort her
sometimes-
friend.
But sometimes, if they like doing like that or like this,
Oh, yan. Pag halimbawa talagang bad mood talaga sila,
of course, I will not,
you will stay away na lang pagka ganun. Parang,
yeah, I would stay in one place that I'm near them, but not beside them,
Mm-mm.
So, I would like look at her,
Mm-mm.
and if she doesn't feel better, lalo, example, she's like this, or he, tapos lalo siya ng bad ng ganon.
Mm.
Of course, if their parents is not there, papabayaan ko na lang siya.
Mm-mm.
Kasi minsan shy siya,
Mm-mm.
minsan siya,
So, basta ang ibig mo sabihin, andun ka lang sa tabi niya.
hindi
To
sa
the
tabi.
point na
Kunyari.
hindi ka naman niya masasaktan or huwag ka muna lumapit. Basta somewhere that you can see him or see her, di ba?
Kunya, nandito siya, may isang upuan sa tabi. Dito lang ako sa tabi niya.
Tama naman yun. Until the parents dumating, no?
Pero pag wala yung parents and I'm going home, I don't know what to do if I go home na. Of course, I will leave my friend syempre.
Basta yun yung gagawin ni Rena. She will comfort her friend. Nice answer. And you're very good friend naman.
Oh,
Okay, thank you for answering my question. Yan, nagustuhan nyo ba yung answer ni Arella? Drop the comment below. 1 to 10, rate nyo si Arella sa answer niya. Alright, thank you for watching,
Passing score,
guys. Hindi, 1 to 10. Highest, 10. So,
lowest, 0.
kung gaano kayo ang tawag doon, kung gaano nyo nagustuhan o sagot ni Rella, rate her 1 to 10. Alright, thank you for watching our video. Bye! God bless.